Hey everybody, John here from O'Reilly Auto Parts. Today I'll be showing you how to change your oil and oil filter. This is a 2009 Honda Accord, but you'll find that most vehicles are pretty similar to what I'm about to show you. As always, be aware of the manufacturer specifications for your exact vehicle, including the proper amount and weight of oil for your vehicle. If at any point you decide you're not completely comfortable doing the job yourself, come see us, and we can recommend a professional technician in your area. So here we go. Find a flat, stable surface where you can work, like a driveway or garage, and make sure that the vehicle has had at least 15 to 20 minutes to cool. Set the parking brake and then chock your rear wheels. Use a jack and jack stands or ramps to raise the front of your vehicle. Open the hood and locate the oil fill cap. Remove that cap and set it aside. Under the car, locate the oil drain plug. Set a drain pan beneath the plug and remove the plug completely. Set it someplace safe. It's a good idea to replace your drain plug gasket. Also, visually inspect the drain plug itself to make sure it's still in good shape. If not, replace it as well. Once the draining oil has slowed to a drip, clean and replace the drain plug. If your plug includes a crush washer, replace it with a new one. Next, locate the oil filter and slide your drain pan underneath it. Most conventional spin-on filters are easily accessed from under the vehicle, but some use a remote mount and are accessed in the engine compartment. With a cartridge-type filter like this one, you'll remove the cover and take the filter out itself. Spin-on filters like this one are removed as a unit using a filter wrench. Loosen the oil filter with your socket or filter wrench. Let the oil drain from the filter into your drain pan. Use a clean shop towel or lint-free cloth to wipe down the filter mounting area. It's possible that there's some debris or part of the seal from the previous filter. If you're installing a spin-on canister filter, lubricate the seal before putting it on. For cartridge-type filters, you'll lubricate the O-ring and install it around the filter cap. Insert the new filter and tighten the cover to manufacturer's specifications. Once your drain plug and filter are tightened properly, remove the drain pan from underneath your vehicle. Remove your jack stands and lower your vehicle. Using your funnel, refill your oil to the proper level. After you've refilled your oil, wait about 5 minutes, then check your dipstick to make sure you've added enough. Once you're sure the oil level is where it needs to be, replace the cap, start up your vehicle and check for any leakage underneath. Turn off your vehicle and check the oil level one more time now that the new oil has cycled through the engine. Some filters can hold as much as half a quart of oil, and it might need to be topped off. Bring the used oil to your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store for disposal. Your vehicle may have an oil reset indicator that will require a reset. Take note of your vehicle's mileage so that you know when to change your oil and filter again. And that's it! The oil, filter, tools, and supplies that you need to complete this job are available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or online at O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions that we get in our stores each and every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to see the latest DIY jobs, and we'll see you again soon.